Okay, mode, median, mean, range, basic. But many of you will get things wrong because you're in a hurry to go and do other things, even though you've had no lessons today. So just to remind you how to set this out, everybody, and you should be taking notes now as I speak. You've got to find the median for that set of data. That means you arrange this in order first, and then you find the middle value. Please do not try and take the middle value of that, because you won't find the median value if it's in a jumbled order. It's the first thing I want to say. Secondly, you do not need to write this out in the given jumbled order. What's the point? Because you're about to put it in good order to find the median, so that's good enough. When you calculate the mean for each of these, you don't have to write down 2 plus 6 plus 1, etc. That's boring. Just write down total equals and just write the total for that. And then you say mean equals whatever total you got there over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 7 equals. There's your answer. Do it for each of them. If any of these questions have an even number of items, then the median will be the average of the middle two. Do not arrogantly put a little circle around the middle two and expect me to try and work out the median for you. That's going to be bounced back straight away. So I'm saying calculate the median where you need to calculate it, or state it where it can be stated by lifting the middle one straight away. Question 3. Pupils rating a film. I'm guessing 1 to 10. And there's 10 of them, which means when you organise this in order, you won't be able to find a middle. Number 5 and number 6, I think, will be the middle ones, and you find the middle rating of 5 and 6, I believe. Yeah. That will give you the median score. That needs calculating. The modal score is the most common score. So just write down mode equals whatever the most common score there is it. Question 4. These are children doing a puzzle. I promise you, some of you will get this completely wrong because there's a lot of numbers with decimal places and you're probably going to miss one out. So it's easy to spot the mode, find the most common one and write it down. Don't bother writing this list of numbers. Why? Because when you come to do the median, you've got to write this in order anyway. So don't overwrite, it's just boring. Now, the fact that there are 10 students means, I think there's 10 kids there. I don't know, I've not counted it. I'm guessing it will be, more advanced than question 3C, for example, or question 3B, or 3A even. Yeah, arrange in order, calculate the median. Range, you may recall, is the biggest value, take away the smallest value to give an idea of the spread of scores. And the mean, I'm not asking you to write down 23.8 plus 19.7 plus. I'm not asking you to do that. Just say total equals. And then mean equals total over and however many kids are there. All right? And then you press the equals button. It's very quick. So Henry, I think you did this. Somebody did it early and gave it to me. I said, look, I'm not going to keep it now. I'll get highly confused. So this is, yeah. Who's that? Okay, yes, you did, didn't you? It was you then, wasn't it? And I said it looks really scrappy and rushed. So how about you do it beautiful? There's no accident in this, Henry. You just got to look at the right slot in the show my homework and get the right date. And don't give me stats 5 when we've not even done stats 4 yet, for example. So go and review your answers. Check on the answer book that I've uploaded to you, and then, hey, that's fine. But I want a visual so I can sign it off as done. And then we've got 1 or 2 lessons left and we're done with the course. I've missed out stuff that are no longer on the specification. You may have thought, well, why hasn't he done all this stuff on, back here on frequency polygons? The answer is it's not on GCSE anymore, so I'm not going to waste your time with it in year 9. Anyone have any questions for me right now before I sign off?